Hi, Christian Fautz here with the Fautz Group at MVP Realty. I'm in Southwest Cape Coral and I'm here at the Burnt Store Marina boat ramp. And the reason why I'm shooting this video today is we do a lot of work for both buyers and sellers here in this part of Cape Coral, and a lot of buyers that we work with, they love to boat because the boating out in Cape Coral is amazing. However, for many of them, a house on the canal may be out of their price point. So they ask me, hey, if I bring my boat, how can I launch it? Are there accessible places? And Cape Coral has several different locations. So over here, here's the actual boat ramp. And we have brand new boat dock so you can get aside and easily tie your boat up. And you have a nice deep water canal here that takes you right out, direct access to the Caloosahatchee River, which would take you out to the Gulf of Mexico. And Cape Coral is booming. As you can see, there's a brand new beautiful home being constructed across the canal over there. So if you are looking to buy here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral is a great option, especially if you're a boater. Many accessible homes where you can keep your boat there. And if that's not what you're looking for, accessibility through so many boat ramps.